Welcome to Oxford English Hub. In this video, we will show you how to get set up if you have received an email invitation to join your school. Before you start, make sure you have also got your access code, which is usually inside your coursebook. How to register and sign in. If you already have an account, click the Sign In button in your email invitation, enter your email address and click Continue. Then enter your password on the next screen, followed by Continue. If you don't have an account, select the Register button in your email invitation to create one. Check your details in the form and enter a password. Select your age and agree to the terms and conditions. Then click Create My Account. Click Sign In to get started. Enter the email address and password you have just created. Then click Continue. Select the Join button, then click Continue. How to use your access code. You can usually find your access code inside your coursebook. Select My Courses, then click Redeem a Code. Enter your access code and click Redeem a Code, then click Done. You will then see your course in the My Courses tab. How to use your online practice and ebooks. Click on your course in the My Courses tab to open it. Select your course, online practice or ebooks to start using them and doing the activities. How to track your progress in the gradebook. Click on the My Progress button to go to the gradebook for your course, online practice and ebooks. Select the online practice or ebook from the My Progress overview page to see your scores for each of them once you have started completing the activities. You can view your scores as fractions or percentages and by the first and latest attempt. Click on the blue down arrows on the right of the unit names to expand them and see the scores for the activities within them. Need more help? If you need more help, you can go to the Help and Support area for students on Oxford English Hub, where you can find answers to your questions in your own language by selecting it from the menu on the right.